Hello friends, welcome. In this video we'll see the device is wireless and adapter, wireless Wi-Fi device. Let's see what is the pack. This is the wireless and adapter device. It's called wireless Wi-Fi device. Also, it's an Alpha brand wireless device. You see the packet, and I will try to see everything in this packet. I see that if you want to interested about this device, you can buy from Alibaba, Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba.com, and many other sites. I have put the description box or link. You can buy from here. And this is a very amazing device. You see the packet. It's a very nano type device also, and when you use this, it's really amazing. Let's see what is the box, and wow, it's really nice and very small size. In a text, user manual, software disks, and the device.
Wireless adapter 802.11n 2.4 GHz soft AP Wi-Fi utility Windows and Mac. Specification: standard IEEE 802.11n and user interface USB to frequency range 2.4 to 2.4835 GHz, wireless speed 11n. The working channel number 13. Separate spectrum DSSS. Modulation type WebDM. Wireless transit power 200 dBm. LED light start. Dimension 33 mm into 16 mm into 6. Operation environment: operating temperature 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature 40 degrees to 70 degrees. Relevant humidity 10 to 19. Operating system available: USB 2 port Windows 7, Vista XP, 2000 Linux are related. Package condition: 11 USB 11 and adapter, quick installation guide and CD drive. See this device and see the installation guide and see the device. This is it. Okay.